I'm going to show you how to install the Codex app on Windows. This is OpenAI's agent app, the one that lets you chat with an AI that can actually write code, edit files, and control your computer. Let's just jump straight in. First thing, open up your browser and just search Codex app download and click the first result. And here's the download page. Since we're doing this on Windows, make sure you click Download for Windows, not the Mac version. It's a small installer file, so this should only take a few seconds. Once it's done downloading, just open the file. Windows might ask you to confirm you want to run it. Go ahead and hit yes or run anyway if SmartScreen pops up. That's completely normal for a new installer. It's just going to install itself automatically. Nothing to configure here, just let it do its thing for a moment. And once it opens up, it's going to ask you to sign in. Just click sign in and it'll pop open your browser to log into your ChatGPT account, same login you already use. Log in like normal, and once it says you're connected, you can close that tab and come back to the app. And that's it. You're in. So this is the Codex app now fully installed on Windows. From here you can create a new project folder, start chatting with the agent, and it can read, write, and edit files right on your machine. Quick way to check it's all working. Just start a new chat and send a simple test message like this. If it responds, you're good to go. And there it is. Codex is installed, signed in, and ready to use on Windows. That's really all it takes. That's the full install start to finish. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually start using it, creating projects, prompting it, all that fun stuff. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.